Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the picture size, which is also connected in this device with the aspect ratio. So first of all, we have to find the camera, so let's tap on it. Now we have to enter the settings, but firstly, let's take a look at the camera and the shape of it. As you can see, it is quite rectangular and it is not elongated to the full screen, right? So let's remember about that, and let's enter, let's say, tap on this picture icon in the left upper corner and tap on the settings right here. As you can see here, we've got the picture size, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options to choose from. Firstly, we can choose from 16, 9, 8, 5, 2 and 1 megapixels, and according to it we can also choose the ratio, which here we've got, I would say, two options to choose from, because we can choose 4:3 and 16:9. So now we've got 16 megapixels and 4:3, and we can say it because this option is marked. And let's pick something else. Let me pick, for example, 16:9 in order to show you the changes in the camera look. And let me pick, for example, maybe 9 megapixels. As you can see, it immediately changes, so all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. Now let's get back to the camera, and I hope that you can remember how it looked like before. Right now it is still rectangular, but it is elongated to the full screen. So this is how to actually change the photo size and at the same time the aspect ratio. Of course, you can get back and choose totally another option. If you'd like to keep your camera elongated to almost the full screen, just choose the picture size, the picture quality with those options, which are 16:9. So actually that's all. This is how to change the photo size and aspect ratio in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.